Hello guys, Lee speaking from China. Right now I'm in north of Huaqiang Road, Chinese Huaqiangbei. In my back, you can see this is a second market. It's very famous in China for electronic products. Why I come here? Because here we can buy very, cost-effective products like phone, like your power bank, and like drones, etc. A lot of good electro products. So let's dig in, and I will show you guys the price and the products, etc. Let's go. Oh guys, this one I show you right now. This is a top sale. Both just told me top sale on the Australian market, European market, Brazil, etc. Oh, this one is 5,000K。
它主要它这个名牌呢，它有
防抖是吧？
是你抖动的时候录视频，它有电影感运镜。
So
它可以跟拍的。
Oh, this one is very special because of here is the platform is very stable. You go around, it's
开起来可以试一下。
yeah，我们开起来试一下吧。Okay, I turn left, I turn right. You can see. 那这一款的话，现在市场价的话，大概是刚才说了哈。So now, whether this one, if you buy this one, both tell me the price is 2,200 yuan, about $300. Yeah, around $300. Okay, no minimum order requirement. Just one. If you want to buy just one piece, I can buy for you. We can also do OEM. Okay, if you want to OEM, guys, the price is negotiable. So it's 5K. This one is hot sale in European and Brazil market. I hope you guys like it. We have another one recommended to you. If you want, you can see. Let's switch to 4K, 400K, and we can switch from 24 to 50, 60, and 2 to 120 FPS. So this one also have 1080p, and we can switch to a maximum 340 FPS. Yeah, this one. If you want to buy this one, yeah, this one pretty good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost the sixth floor. All here sells electronic products. Let's see what they sells. Okay, guys. Right now we are in a drone shop in Huaqiangbei. Right now, there's a lot of drone. For this kind of drone, mostly it used in industrial measurement and for the security, etc. For this one, let's check their feature at first. The similar is 640 plus 512 resolution, and the camera is radiometric, temperature detection, optical is 4K. Yeah, and the price you can see is 46,000, around 7,050. Yeah, the minimum is 50. We can do customized logo if you want. Okay, the price is negotiable. If you want to buy, the more you buy, the price is negotiable. So we will check more. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. So we can see for this one it's 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. So if you want to buy the telescope, the price is less than $10, and the minimum order is just 20 pieces. Here, if you want book your own customer logo, the minimum order is 500. This store, this sells earphones, headset, etc. You can see it around. Yes, this is wellness airport. So how much is this one? This one is 50 to 60, about less than $10. Let's check their brand name. Yeah, this is a smartwatch. Yeah, their brand name is JOYROOM, and the feature is the price is middle and up can, and mostly sells to European and like this country. Okay, for this one, the price right now, if we buy here, it's just 110 RMB, less than $20. But for the price, retailer price in Europe, maybe 200 RMB or $40 like this. You can double. And this one, let's see more products. Oh, this is car charger. Okay, they have full set catalogs like the phone holder, the power bank, and the mobile phone charger, etc. Okay, if you buy the minimum order is 40 pieces like this one power bank. You can also do the customize. If you want to do your own logo, they can do it. 如果是就是自定义的话，那么就是它有最小起订量要求吗？
一般都是3000。
If you want customize your own products, the minimum order is 3,000 pieces. Now I come to use the mobile phone market named Yuan Digital Mall. Let's dig in to see. I'm here in the used mobile shop. You can see a lot of phones here. Yeah, a lot of. Mostly is Pro, Apple Pro like this one. It's Pro Max 14. And it's second use. Sorry, 128 megabytes and 14 Pro Max. For this one, the screen is a little bit, broken. The price is around 2,800 RMB, about 400 US dollars. Yes, if you want to buy this one, contact with me. Okay. So if everything is perfect, the screen is good, the price will be 4,100 yuan. Okay, now we are in another used phone shop. It's also Apple, and you can see this one is 14 Pro Max Apple, and 256 megahertz, and this one price is 4,500 RMB yuan, and it's about 90% new, and it's let's see more. You can check. If you want this one, tell me. Okay.